आवाज ही नहीं निकल रही है। किसी की मजबूरियों पर मत हंसिए, किसी की मजबूरियों पर मत हंसिए, कोई मजबूरियां खरीद कर नहीं लाता, डरिए वक्त की मार से, क्योंकि बुरा वक्त कभी किसी को बता कर नहीं आता।
नज़र नज़र में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफस नफस में बिखरना कमाल होता है, बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना कमाल नहीं, बुलंदियों पे ठहरना कमाल होता है। आई वुड लाइक टू।
वक्त कहता है मैं फिर ना आऊँगा, वक्त कहता है मैं फिर ना आऊँगा, क्या पता तुझे हंसाऊँगा या रुलाऊँगा, जीना है तो जी लो इस पल को, क्योंकि इस पल को मैं अगले पल तक रोक ना पाऊँगा।
Hello and a very good morning to ladies and gentlemen. This is me, Muskan Vishwakarma. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Hafiz sir for providing me such a golden chance to express my opinion here. And today I'm so happy that I got a chance to be a part of this unprecedented ecstatic debate competition. So today we are going to debate here on a very interesting and very controversial topic, which is money and time. So this is our debate competition, due to which we can choose only one topic. So that's why I choose time. So let's start now. My first opinion in the favor of time. Time is more precious and valuable than money, because money can be earned again, but time once lost can't be regained again. That's mean time once gone is gone forever. Lost time never found again. And guys, all the people who are successful, all the people who are rich, all the people who are famous in this world, they have invested their time. Secondly, I would like to draw your attention. With the proper use of time, we can make a lot of money, but with money, we can't purchase lost time. So that's the reason time is bigger than money. And thing is that we don't lack time, we lack time management, because time is a very big thing. It can make us or it destroy us. And it depends upon us whether we invest our time in a good way or whether we invest our time in a wrong way. Because this is the most important thing which never comes back. And thirdly, I would like to draw your attention. Time never makes discrimination among poor, rich, weak, strong people. It behaves same with all. And time and money, but money creates a person, but money creates discrimination and crime. And time is so precious for us. No one can stop the time. No one can purchase the time. So we have to utilize our time. We have to invest our time. We have to spend our time for earning money. And please never compare your time with someone else's time, because everyone lives according to their own timeline. Fourthly, I would like to draw your attention. Many rich people has a lot of time, has a lot of money, but they have no time for their family members, for their relatives, for their friends. Spending time is a requirement for maintaining good relationship.
All right.
But money makes a man greedy, selfish, or no one in this world so rich that he can buy his past, and no one is so poor that he cannot change his future. So please, so that's why you change the time before time changes you. And I would like to draw, and last but not the least, most significant and important thing is that ask the value of time to a person who has missed the train, ask the value of time to a person who has missed the exam because he was late by 1 minute, and ask the value of time to a lady who has missed his father, who has missed her husband in an accident. So please, my dear friends, respect the value of time. And lastly, I would like to share one poetry. किसी की मजबूरियों पर मत हंसिए, किसी की मजबूरियों पर मत हंसिए, कोई मजबूरियां खरीद कर नहीं लाता, डरिए वक्त की मार से, क्योंकि बुरा वक्त कभी किसी को बता कर नहीं आता।
तो टॉपिक आपका क्या है? टाइम वर्सेस मनी. Time versus money, both are a substantial, integral part of our life. We can't deny importance of money as well as importance of time. Both are more essential, mandatory, obligatory, mandatory in our life. Without time, our life is impossible, and even also without money, our life is so difficult, boring, right? But the things which we have to explain, which one is more important? Which one is more important? Which one is more important? Which one is more or not useful in our life? By utilizing proper way of time, we can win, we can become champion, we can become hero of this world. Yeah, by accumulating lots of money, we can become hero of this universe, this Brahma. Ladies and gentlemen, so you both are important, by the way. But you have to prove exactly that by utilizing time, we can acquire, we can achieve whatever we want. Whatever we want, this is your reality. Yeah, by accumulating lots of money, we can be king of this world. We can become prosperous person of this world. Now you have to say how. How are we utilizing our time? How are we managing our time? How are we formulating our time? How are you exactly how are you applying time in our life? In our life, this is the question. Even also you can debate here one who achieved a lot. How? By utilizing time, yeah, by helping supporting money, by helping supporting. So lots of points exactly, guys, you have here. You can debate, you can explain, you can define one by one. Many more points exactly we have here. All right. Now may I invite one by one. Please come here. Put your representation, your experience, your opinion, your preparation, your knowledge, your skill. How do you see time and money? Time and money. All right. This is your question. Right. So may I invite one by one. Please come here. May I invite first number Miss Aarti. Please welcome. Give a wonderful applause, ladies and gentlemen. Please come here and put your opinion. All right.
वक्त से लड़कर जो अपना नसीब बदल दे, इंसान वही है जो अपना तकदीर बदल दे. If I talk about time is a substantial, integral part of our life for everyone. Time is a valuable thing in the universe. Time is more precious than money. We can earn money that we spend, but we can't time back once wasted time. The better management of time get to prosperity and wealth in life. Ladies and gentlemen, a person who understands get rewarded in the long term with success. My dear friends, a student who has utilized time well in study in the passing the exam time. My dear friends, a scrupulous person and conscious person in the world utilize their time. If you become a prosperous person in this world, if you utilize your time, their audience, we know all that. A famous proverb, time and tide wait for none, lost time never found against. Ladies and gentlemen, all the famous businessman, doctor, engineer, everyone has utilized their time and they have got success. If I talk about money creates discrimination and crime. Money makes a man greedy and selfish. If I talk about time never makes discrimination, poor people and rich people. Time used properly, with the proper use of time, we can earn a lot of money. But with money, we can't purchase lost time. So that's why my short opinion, time is more precious than money. So my dear friends, I request you, don't waste your time. Thank you so much.